Hey everyone! Today we're tackling a critical reasoning problem, specifically an explain the findings question. Let's break it down step by step. Here's the scenario. Researchers asked both experienced and novice chess players to solve timed endgame puzzles. Their eye movements and pupil dilation, a measure of mental effort, were recorded. The surprising result? The strongest players who solved the most puzzles the fastest actually had the fewest eye fixations and the lowest pupil dilation. Now the question asks, which of the following hypotheses best explains this finding? First, let's understand why the result is surprising. Normally, we might expect that solving more puzzles quickly requires more effort and more searching. Instead, the best performers showed less effort on these measures. So we need an explanation that makes this outcome logical. Let's go through the options. Option A says strong players were more motivated and ignored distractions. That might explain focus, but it doesn't really explain why they needed fewer fixations or less effort. Motivation isn't the key here. Option B talks about lighting in the room. That's irrelevant. The finding is about skill differences, not seating or visibility. Option C says skilled players have internalized larger tactical chunks, letting them evaluate positions with fewer searches and less effort. Yes, this matches the data perfectly. If experts see patterns as wholes rather than individual moves, they don't need to look around as much or strain as hard. That explains why they could solve puzzles faster with less measured effort. Keep it. Option D suggests the puzzles shown to stronger players were easier. This, in itself, does nothing to explain why the players who did the best made less effort. Option E says experts like time pressure more. That might be true in psychology, but it doesn't explain why their eye movements and cognitive effort were lower. So the best explanation is option C. Experts process information in bigger chunks, which allows them to be both faster and more efficient. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more critical reasoning strategies. See you in the next video.